How to draw Gerald from Hey Arnold. First is go ahead and draw a circle, put a little dot in it for his right eye. And then we're going to go ahead and draw this big, almost upside down U, almost a full kind of oval here, but it doesn't touch, right? And that's his nose. And then to draw his left eye, we're going to come out from that nose and circle it around and connect back to the nose, put a dot inside of it for the left eye. I like to go ahead and put the eyebrows next, just kind of like as a marker for his head, because now I'll go ahead and draw his head using that eyebrow as a place to kind of start. And then I also go ahead and attach the ear right there as well, just by kind of bulbing it out like this. Then I'll go ahead and draw the smile. So we're just going to start from under the nose, curve it up to the eye, and we'll put a little line underneath it. So now we got pretty much all of his facial features, and we can go ahead and start to create the rest of his head. So we'll come out from the eye, come down, and then don't connect these two lines because we're going to leave them for the neck. We start to draw the top of his head. It's going to be a curved line that goes above the eyebrow, and then it's going to be a straight line. Right? There we go. And then this is drawing kind of the bottom of his hair right here, and we want these little this little curvy line to kind of extend past the two lines that we first drew. Then to draw the hair, you can make it as curvy and wavy as you want. We go straight up on each side and then connect those two. Now to draw his collar, we just come out from the neck, curve it around, and go and connect back to the neck. Then we'll start to draw his left arm. We'll come out like this, and we're going to kind of make a sideways V shape. And then we're going to follow that same shape that we just created. Make another V, and then we'll come down, and then his shirt is kind of curved down at the bottom, so do a little loop kind of down at the bottom here. I like to start with his right arm before I do the hands, so I'll bring the right arm down. You'll notice it has that big curve in it. We'll put another one that, again, follows that same line that we just created, and now we can connect these two here. And now that we have the arms, we can go ahead and actually start to make the hands. So it's actually a lot easier than you think. You just need a line that connects to his shirt, one that comes out of his shirt, kind of loops around, and then just add one more right here. And on this hand over here, we're going to make a loop. And actually, this is going to kind of end up looking odd here. I messed up on his hand, but that's okay. We just go with the flow. And Gerald always wore a red shirt with the number 33 on it. So we can go ahead and add some threes in here. You'll notice that what I like to do is draw the 3 vertical lines first, and then I connect those from the inside and the outside. Add one more little ear right here. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. This is how you draw Gerald from Hey Arnold, and I will see you next time. Thank you.